Take a plane, bevel these vertices, add 9 segments, extrude in z-axis, scale them to 0.8, add one loop, bevel it, add only one segment, add one edge loop here, delete this edge loop and add one edge loop here, select these faces and delete, select these 4 faces and inset, deselect these vertices, scale these vertices, select these 4 faces and delete, select the top face and inset. For loop tools, go to Edit, click Preferences, click on Add-ons, type Loop Insert, click to Mesh Loop Tools, save the preferences, click on Circle and select Fit Inside, then scale it, rotate to -35, insert it and delete the face, select this edge loop and scale it, select this edge loop and bevel, add 6 segments, adjust the width, select these vertices, extrude and scale, add Solidify Modifier for thickness, add Bevel Modifier and change the values, right click, click on Shade Smooth, add one edge loop here and scale, for these tools, go to Edit, click Preferences, in Add-ons, search for Modifier Tools and save preferences. Click on Apply All. The all modifiers are applied. The plastic stool modeling is completed.